Hola familia, it's Alex. Thank you guys so much for tuning in today. As you guys can see from the title, we are doing another palette bingo. I'm so excited. As you guys know, I personally love my palette bingos. It gets me out of my comfort zone more than I already get, but it does help me to see palettes that I'm currently testing out, using, abusing, loving, hating in a whole different way, because it may help me to combine shadows that I typically wouldn't combine on my own. So today, as you guys can see from the titulo, we're doing the Avocado Toast palette today. This is from BH. This is perfect for the month of March because it showcases greens in here. We all know that March is all about green. It's my favorite color. So I had to do something with this palette this month. I have been using this palette like crazy. I think I've used almost every single shade in here. And if I say this all the time, but if you are interested, follow me on my Instagram. And I always post my daily looks on my Insta stories. I post the palette that I'm using so you guys can get an idea of how I'm using the palette that I'm currently using, or if it's a palette you're interested in and want to see how I am incorporating it in my daily life, not just what I show you guys on YouTube. So here we are, you guys. This palette has 16 shadows. We're going to randomize it. And of course I forgot my phone, so let me go grab it so we can randomize the shadows and continue with this palette bingo. Okay, so I have my phone here. We're going to randomize. If you're new and have no clue, I go across, as I always do with every single palette, regardless of what it says under the shade name or the shade itself. So here we go, folks. Let's start with the first one. Number 6. Ooh, my favorite. Oh, I think this is one of my favorite mattes out of here. This is the Avocado Toast. This is like my second favorite matte shade in here. It's so pretty. Actually, it matches my nails basically. In person, at least it does. Beautiful. Definitely. I have a feeling that no matter what I get out of this palette, I'm going to love it. So let's go on to the next one. 13. So we have 16, 15, 14, 13, right? Am I right? Yeah, I think I'm right. Oh my gosh. Going backwards just made my brain go backwards. Super Juice. This one's beautiful too. Ooh. Well, at least we know we're definitely going to have a green look today, and that's what I was anticipating. Next shade, 15. Ooh, okay, extra. Yeah, we are going a bit extra today, huh? Let's go with extra, which is a little bit deeper. So far, I'm liking this trio, though. Up next, let's get another matte. Number 14. Oh, goodness. Oh, I did. Look at that. Guac. Wow. I guess somebody is loving me this month. There's the fourth shade. Now, let's get a lighter shade, shall we? While I'm requesting, I might as well just put in my 2 cents, shall I? Number 8. Oh, ooh, I like this one. This is Haas, which is right over here. Ooh, that's gorgeous. Okay, this is going to be hard because I got really, really good shades. But I think I might know what I want to do. All right, let's start off with Avocado Toast, which is the first shade we got in our bingo. Let me move my phone because I'm sure I'm going to get some dust in there and some residue in there. I am sure you guys are excited to see this palette because I know a lot of you guys had said that you own it and you wanted to see a look with it. So I'm going to put this just blown out up here. I think I'm going to do a halo look today. I haven't done one in a while. And I'm kind of feeling it. So let's do a halo look. So how you guys doing? So I thought about doing a palette bingo review, but I wanted just to switch it up. I just wanted to do a palette bingo. You guys, just giving you guys a heads up. I love this palette. End of story. Love it. I love every shade, including the black. I feel like has a place in this palette. What is it called? Holy moly? Yeah. And I love the names. They're so adorable. This one is up there for me just because my favorite color is green, and the shades that they incorporated in here with the greens just fit so nicely, and I've been able to get so many different looks without it being repetitively green, like a monochromatic green. It's just so pretty. So yeah, if you're interested in this one or were contemplating on it, I would definitely say it'll be worth the money, especially since it's not even that expensive. I feel like this could be worth a lot more, but I'm not gonna open my mouth and say anything. I think it's gorgeous. I love it. See how pretty that is? Even this lighter shade just shows up, but it's not too much where I can't blend this out nicely. It's just so pretty. So pretty. All right, now we're gonna go in with Guac, which is the other matte that we came out with. So now we've used 2 mattes. Promise you guys. And look how pigmented that is. Like, that's serious. I'm gonna have to grab my smaller mirror because this is gonna be very concentrated. I'm gonna put it as a sandwich on my outer part and inner part, so you guys can look at that. You guys, seriously, this is one of the best mattes in this like shade that I have. It's so pretty. Oh my god, look at that. I'm not doing much, you guys. I'm just barely touching and grazing my lid, and look at that. It's like, seriously, I love this. I haven't even finished my look and I'm already in love. Yay, it shows up. It's like, yep, I'm here to play. I clocked in and I'm all yours. Oh my gosh. Okay, so now I'm just gonna grab a brush to just blend this out ever so lightly up here. Like, I'm gonna grab the same one and just the edges. So I'm gonna do this very lightly. I just don't want it to look like a very stark line. Ooh. Oh, I thought I was getting UPS. I guess not. I should know since I don't order that it was me. I didn't know if Mr. Man bought some. Sorry, Mr. UPS senor. It ain't for me. See, I just ever so lightly like graze it in here. I'm gonna have to go in here. I didn't go in so deep in there. Alrighty then. Look at that. Aha. Wow. Wow. Okay, so now in the center, I'm gonna go with Haas. I decided to go with this shade right here because I think it's gonna stick out, and I'm gonna use my finger. So here it is. Oh gosh, look at that goodness. Oh my gosh, I'm just patting it. I'm not even like scraping. It's just pat, pat, pat. Wow. Awesome. I'm telling you, I love this one. Definitely one of my top ones. It's so beautiful. And this palette is so good for like a 2 shadow look too. Look at that. Look at that goodness. I'm just gonna blend it with whatever I have left on that brush on the edges here. Oh my goodness. I couldn't have gotten a better color combo, no joke. Wow, so pretty, so pretty. All right, let's go on the lower lash line. I am going to go, what are the 2 shades I've left? This one, right? Oh gosh, I forgot. These 2 at the bottom. So I have these 2 at the bottom. So what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna go in first with this shade closer to my lash line and then kind of diffuse it out with this one right here. So it doesn't look so dark under my eyes, but shiny. So I'm just going to place this right here. So I'm going in with extra first. That's what it's called, extra. See how it's like, I'm not buffing this out just yet. Just like that. So I'm gonna do the other side. And then go in with green juice, a little bit more of a denser, like a fluffier brush, and then kind of diffuse this out. Just like that. Seriously, you guys, finally I get a really, really good color story. I didn't get any of the browns. Like there's these two browns here, there's this one right here. I didn't get any of the browns in here, which surprises me because I was expecting at least the brown or the pink one or the yellow. No. So this is the look, you guys. I'm just gonna go do a mascara and lashes because this calls for lashes. It's just gonna look gorgeous with lashes. You guys have that option. I'm not using lashes. You guys know that I've done looks with and without lashes, palette bingos without lashes, but today I really want to wear the lashes. So I'll be right back, and then you're going to see the final look with the lip that I paired it with. I'll be back. All right, you guys, so this is the final look. I could not have gotten a better color story. No joke. I am in love with these colors. This is gorgeous. You guys saw the ease and the quickness of these 5 shades that I used on my eyes. They're so easy to use. You saw I don't think I even got any fallout. I didn't wipe anything off. Nothing came off. I just tapped off my brush. Great color story, you guys. I love this palette. It's so beautiful. My goodness. I'm telling you, BH, if they keep doing this, I'm going to be broke because I'm going to want them all. So I can't recommend this enough. This might be my favorite one out of all of them because it does have greens. It's my favorite color. What I used on my lips, just in case you're wondering, is the Urban Decay Fuel lipstick. I wanted something warmer tone to go, and this shirt I figured would go nice with any shade of green I would get. So I figured I'll pair it together, orange and green. Why not? I love this. If you're wondering, curious about it, yes, you're not going to be disappointed. And quite a few of you guys, when I mentioned this last month that I was going to use it this month, a lot of you guys said that you love it just as much as I loved the blueberry one, and you're expecting me to love this one that much. So yes, hands down my favorite so far. So far, this one is great, all around great. So I hope you guys enjoyed this palette bingo. Lady Luck was chilling in the back saying, I got you, girl, because she really did. I loved it. I love it. I don't want to wash it off. I don't want to wash it off. I'm going to film another video because I really want to keep it on. Anyway, thank you guys so much for watching. I'll link this palette down in the description box if you're interested in checking it out, purchasing it. I appreciate it very much. You guys know that anything you guys do to support my channel, I appreciate very, very much. I'll put more videos over here for your enjoyment. Until then, adios.